to catch you. They tried. They just couldn't, baby. They just couldn't. Let's go.
I do shit accordingly, don't do shit affordably. But that shit you talking, dog, yeah, that shit be boring me. Come from where they wanna be, something that they never see. I'm a star, boy, don't you see that drip, that shit be I got the rings, I got the trophies, I got the gold. Whoa, whoa, I got the power like I'm on TV. One call, you'll be ghost. I do the dash, I do it fast. Everything I do's not slow. I am a king, I have a dream. I want it all, so let's go.
Are you not entertained? Is this what you came for? You came for a show. You came to see me. So watch me.
Catch me, catch me, catch me if you can. Catch me, catch me, catch me if you can. I'm just trying to get these bands. I just came up with a plan. I was born to be the man, yeah, I was born to be the man. Catch me, catch me, catch me if you can. Catch me, catch me, catch me if you can. I was born to be the man. I just came up with a plan. I'ma see it to the end. Try and catch me if you can. I don't think they have a clue. All this shit I had to do to get where I am right now. Had to fight life like a zoo. When I made it, they said, who? Please don't act like I am new. I've been running for a minute.